7. Solve the equations. 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 20. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 70. Equation 2. X minus y plus 6z is equal to 41. Equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 and equation 3, we have x plus 4y is equal to 29. Equation 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 1, we have 18x plus 12y minus 6z is equal to 120, and 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 70. By adding 20x plus 15y is equal to 190, or 4x plus 3y is equal to 38. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 4 and equation 5 by 1, we have 4x plus 16y is equal to 116, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 38. By subtracting, 13y is equal to 78, or y is equal to 78 by 13 is equal to 6. Putting the value of y in equation 4, we have x plus 24 is equal to 29, or x is equal to 29 minus 24 is equal to 5. Again, putting the value of x in and y in equation 1, we have 15 plus 12 minus z is equal to 20, or 27 minus z is equal to 20, or minus z is equal to 20 minus 27 is equal to minus 7, minus plus. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, and z is equal to 7. Answer.